Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the locked and hidden text chat in Roblox. Enable chat permission and visibility setting. So fix 1, verify your age for 13 plus and adult account. So sign into your Roblox account using a web browser or the Roblox app. Now click the settings, the gear icon and select account info and select my age. Then after you can follow the on-screen instructions to scan and validate the government issue ID proof such as driving license, passport, national ID card. Then complete the verification by taking a quick live selfie when prompted. Once your age is successfully verified, restart Roblox and check whether the chat is visible. Fix 2. Enable experience chat in privacy setting. So open the settings and go to the privacy tab. Scroll down to the communication section and locate the experience chat option. Now turn the toggle on and if available choose who can communicate with you such as friends or everyone. Now save your settings and restart Roblox and before testing the chat again. Fix 3. Check the parental control. So open the settings and select parental control. Now go to settings, then you manage and choose communication. Now ensure experience chat and game direct chat are enabled. If a parent pin is required, only the parent or account owners can make these changes. Now you can save the settings and reopen the Roblox. Fix 4. Add trusted friend. So open your friend list and find the friend you want to chat with and click the three dots menu next to their name. Now select add as trusted friend. Now share the generated invitation link with your friend. Once they accept the invitation, the communication restrictions between your account may be reduced depending on Roblox safety policy. Now the fix 5 chat window and keyboard issue. So show or hide the chat window. So the PC, you can press the escape key to open the Roblox menu and make sure chat is enabled. Then you can also use the default chat button, the shortcut, usually the key, to open the chat bar. For Xbox users, press the RB button to open or close the chat window if the game supports text chat. Now for PlayStation, you can press L1 or R1 depending on the game to access the chat interference. Now, keyboard problem on PC. If the chat box does not open when pressing the key, try pressing the backlash key instead. Now if you use an international keyboard layout which temporary to the US English keyboard layout and test the chat again. Now close and reopen Roblox after changing your keyboard layout. So goodbye and thanks for watching.